जी राणी तांकां विनंती करता प्रेसाक ब्रीफ करता.
आमचे पार्टीचे नेते श्री विनय तेंडुलकर आणि हांगा उपस्थित आमचे मिडियाचे सगळे भाव, आयज मुद्दम आमी प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेवपाचो उद्देश इतलोच आशिल्लो की तरेतरेचे अफवा आनी तरेतरेचे रॉंग एक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशना बद्दल की एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कोलॅप्स जाल्या इतर काही गोष्टीचेर आयज विरोधी पक्ष आनी काय इंडिव्हिज्युअल आमदार टिका सरकाराचेर करता. हांव इतले दीस केन्नाच आमी टिका परत करूंक ना. एक तुमकां सगळ्यांक आमचे मिडियाचे भाव जे आहा तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आहा की आमी जे कितें पावलां घेतल्या आनी आमी जे पावलां घेता, वी हॅव बीन टेकिंग ऑल दीज स्टेप्स in consultation with experts and people from the field of this particular COVID-19 and teams and specialists of COVID-19 who are dealing on the front line of COVID-19. हाय सांगपाचो उद्देश म्हणून केन्नाय कोणाक दिसता की कोणी तरी उल्लेख केलो की ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेशन सगळे योग्य तरेन सगळे गोष्टी चालू आहा आणि त्याच बरोबर आयज काही लोक जे टीका करता, काही लोक ह्याच सरकारात मंत्री पयलीं आशिल्ले आणि हे मंत्री आयज नसल्या कारणान त्यांचे ते फ्रस्ट्रेशन दुसऱ्या तरेन भायर काडपाचो प्रयत्न करतात. तिसऱ्या तरेन ते सरकाराचे विरुद्ध एक वेगळे तरेचे एक वातावरण तयार करपाचो त्यांचो प्रयत्न चालू आहा. म्हाका दिसता की प्रमोद सावंत आमचे गोंय राज्याचे मुख्यमंत्री यांचे नेतृत्वा सकयल आमी कोविड-19 कशें एक नियंत्रणात दवरपाचें काम ह्या सरकारान योग्य तरेन केल्लें आसा. हांव ह्या सरकारान आरोग्य मंत्री म्हणून आयज उलयता, त्यांचे नेतृत्व सकयल जे सरकार चलता या सरकारान कोविड-19 एसओपीस चे बद्दल काही लोकांनी टीका केल्या. एसओपीस एंड आय वुड लाईक टू टेल ऑल द मेंबर्स ऑफ द मीडिया, आयज एसओपीस जे आहा प्रत्येक राज्यान आपापल्या लेवलाचेर मॉडिफाय करपाक परवानगी केंद्र सरकारान दिल्ली आसा. एक ओव्हरऑल एमएचए आणि सिव्हिल एव्हिएशनचे गाईडलाईन असतात, त्याच बरोबर वेगळे तरेचे एसओपी आपल्या राज्याचे कितें गरज आहा त्या तरेन सरकार ते एसओपीस तयार करू शकता. आयज हांवें आतांच पळयतालो कोणाचे एक व्हिडिओ ब्रिफींग हांव पळयतालो आनी ते सांगताले की सरकाराकूच खबर ना कसले एसओपी आनी कितें ते. एक तुमकां सांगता, हे एक डेमोक्रेटीक पार्टी आहा आनी ह्या भारतीय जनता पक्षान हांव जेन्नाच्यान प्रवेश केला तेन्नाच्यान खुबशे गोष्टी म्हाका शिकपाक गावल्यो. एक वेगळे तरेचे डिसिप्लीन आनी केन्नाय कितें विशय आसल्यार आमी वेगळे तरेन मांडपाचें आमी काम केल्लें आसा. जेन्ना एसओपीचे डिस्कशन जाल्ले, जेन्ना आमी विनंती मुख्यमंत्री केली आनी स्ट्रिंजंट करा. मुख्यमंत्री कोणा खातीर करता हे सगळे गोष्टी, आरोग्य खाते कोणा खातीर करता हे सगळे गोष्टी, कारण गोंय राज्यांतले प्रत्येक व्यक्ती सेफ उरोवंक जाय आणि सुरक्षीत उरोवंक जाय. त्याच बरोबर एक वेगळे तरेचे एसओपी आमचोच लोक खुबसो लोक भायर आहा तेका भितूर हाडपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न चालू आहा, ज्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमी तेका चेकिंग करून भितूर घेवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न चालू आहा. आयज जेन्ना सिव्हिल एव्हिएशनाचे आमी एसओपीचे उलयतना काय लोकांक म्हायती ना की सिंगापोरान माझी स्वताची चली सिंगापोर शिकताली, थंय कोविड नेगेटिव्ह सर्टिफिकेट शिवाय ते प्लेनान बी वचपाक दिना. आमी इव्हॅक्युएशन फ्लायट जेन्ना केल्यो तेन्ना इव्हॅक्युएशन फ्लायटान कोविड नेगेटिव्ह सर्टिफिकेट फिट टू फ्लाय सर्टिफिकेट म्हणून ते घेतल्या उपरांतूच तांकां थंय प्रवेश दिले गेले, तेन्ना ते परत येवंक हांगा पावले. आयज आमी जेन्ना कोविड नेगेटिव्ह सर्टिफिकेट म्हणटा, देर इज अ व्हॅलिडिटी फॉर दॅट सर्टिफिकेट. A COVID negative certificate is valid for between 24 to 48 hours. And a COVID negative certificate, if the certificate gets that gives us a great sense of security that the person is not COVID negative when he flies that flight and comes into the state of war. Many times people don't understand the concept of COVID-19, but I with authority can tell you, under the guidance of the Chief Minister and our party leaders and our team that is dealing directly with the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji in Delhi, we have access to those teams. There is a team which is the Prime Minister Economic Affairs Committee which has got even expert doctors on that team. आणि त्यांच्याकडे जेन्ना आमी चर्चा करता आनी व्हिडिओ कॉन्फरन्स खुबशे आमचे पत्रकार भाव तांकां केन्नाय सांगता की अशी बरी टीम आहा, त्या टीम कडेन आमी जेन्ना डिस्कस करता, रायट फ्रॉम पूल टेस्टिंग पासून सगळे तरेतरेचे प्रोटोकॉल्स आमकां ते तेजे एक वेगळे तरेचे एंड वेगळे तरेन आमकां ते समजूत घालता. Mr. Rane, have you done pool testing? When you do pool testing, see that the sensitivity will reduce if you increase the pool testing beyond a particular point, so keep it to this level. आम्ही जेन्ना चर्चा करता आम्ही म्हणना की आम्ही एक्सपर्ट्स आहा, जे कोण एक्सपर्ट ना आणि जे टीका सरकाराचेर करता, म्हाका दिसता त्यांनी करू नये, कित्याक आमच्या सरकारान आम्ही प्रत्येक मंत्री आम्ही मुख्यमंत्रीचे सरकारान आम्ही काम करता, मुख्यमंत्रीचे लिडरशिपा सकयल आम्ही नेतृत्व त्यांचे नेतृत्व सकयल आम्ही काम करता, पण त्याच बरोबर तुम्ही कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट पॉझिटिव्हली करपाची गरज आहा. तुमच्याकडे जर पॉझिटिव्ह सजेशन्स जे कित्याक खंयचे तरी एक्सपर्ट कडे तुम्ही उलयता त्या तरेचे तुम्ही ऍडवाइस आमकां दिल्यार जाता, पण परत परत मुख्यमंत्रीची टिका, परत मुख्यमंत्री आमच्या मदीं वेगळे तरेचे मतभेद हे कसलेच ना. आमचे पत्रकार भाव आसतले, आमची कालूच आम्ही फॉरेस्ट भवनात आमची मिटिंग झाली, आमचे पक्षाचे नेते सगळे आशिल्ले, आम्ही आशिल्ले, त्याच्या नंतर आम्ही ऑफिसरा कडेन आमची चर्चा झाली. केन्ना केन्ना चर्चा करून चर्चेंतल्यान वेगळे तरेचे एसओपीज निर्माण करपाचे काम सरकार करता. हांव एकूच सांगूंक सोदता की आयज ज्या तरेची भाशा वापरली वयता, ज्या तरेची टिका केली वयता, दिस इज ओनली डेट्रिमेंटल टू द ग्रोथ ऑफ द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा. आमी जेन्ना म्हणटा लायव्ह अँड लायव्हलीहूड, त्याच बरोबर हांव तुमकां सांगूंक सोदता की आमी एका रातोरात मुख्यमंत्रीच्या गायडन्सा सकयल आमी कोविड हॉस्पिटलाचे बेड कॅपॅसिटी वी इन्क्रीज इट टू 200. आम्ही आयज आमचे ट्रेनिंग प्रत्येक मेडिकल ऑफिसर ट्रेनिंग, ऑनलाईन ट्रेनिंग अँड प्रॅक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग दिवन आमच्याकडे 200 व्हेंटिलेटर चलोवपाची कॅपॅसिटी आहे. केन्ना केन्ना आमकां प्रश्न विचारले वयता केन्ना व्हेंटिलेटर येतले, तांकां हांव विनंती करूंक सोदता की चिंता करूं नाकात. आयज पर्यंत आमी सगळे केसीस आमचे केसीस क्युअर जायत आसात. आमची संख्या जी आसा ती संख्या कमी जायत आसा. आयज जेन्ना रेल्वे आयले, रेल्वेचे लॉजिस्टिक मॅनेजमेंट केन्ना एक दीस ग्लिचीस आसूं शकता. You have to understand that this has not been experienced by any state, and when there has been a video conferencing with Honorable Prime Minister and the Chief Minister, every Chief Minister has expressed his difficulties, the way he has handled these problems. And even in Goa, we are a very small state. आणि गोवा राज्यात लोकांक बी जाय की काही प्रमाणात इकॉनॉमिक ऍक्टिव्हिटी चालू जाल्ली जाय. आयज एका बाजून इकॉनॉमिक ऍक्टिव्हिटी हा, एका बाजून आम्ही आमचे लोकांचे जीवन सुरक्षित दवरपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न चालूच आसा. Goa Medical College, orders have been issued that Goa Medical College will be totally involved under the Dean Goa Medical College and the concerned doctor who is coordinating, Dr. Ira in Madgaon and Dr. Edwin. आमचे टीम्स थंय आसतले. आयज ल्हान भुरग्यांक बी कोविड जाल्ले आसा, प्रेग्नंट महिला बी असतात, आणि म्हणून आमचे टीम्स रोटेशन बेसिसचेर 5 ते 6 टीम्स आणि टीम युनिट थंय आसतले. आयज म्हाका दिसता की विरोधी पक्षाक केन्ना केन्ना माहिती नसता पूर्णपणे, आणि केन्नाय कितें वाचले आणि तेजेर डायरेक्ट टिका केली, काय मुख्यमंत्रीचेर डायरेक्ट टिका केली. हांव एक सांगूंक सोदता तुमकां की आमचे सगळे प्रोटोकॉल्स एंड एसओपीज आयज कोणी तरी उल्लेख तुम्ही म्हणू शकता की आयज तुम्ही पळयल्यात, हांवें डिजिटलाचेर बी पळयला की 50% लोक आयज जे गोंय राज्यांत भितर आयले, 50% ऑप्टेड फॉर अ कोविड टेस्ट and 50% opted for home quarantine. That is also home quarantine is something we need to rely on, because how much of quarantine and institutional quarantine can you do? If a person has got COVID and he recovers from COVID, then we can put that person into institutional and post quarantine in a different way, because that is the way forward. I may have used the word wrongly, because now when you have a press conference, every word I have to match exactly what I say. When I say if a person recovers from COVID, then we will put him in the quarantine facility that is under the government. But if a person opts for home quarantine, look at the SOPs of government of Maharashtra. When the evacuation flight came in from different country, evacuation flights came into Mumbai, the SOP, read the SOP issued by Ajay Mehta, Chief Secretary of Maharashtra. It said that if a person comes in, then he can either opt for paid quarantine or institutional quarantine, or he can go to home quarantine and remain in his home for 14 days under monitoring. So these are the SOPs which are being put in place. Now logistically we have to also see which is workable. We have put kiosks at the airport. We are also increasing one more kiosk for senior citizens so that people can take their swabs and then they can go straight to their house. As long as everybody is worried, everybody wants that Goa should be safe, but criticizing the government after being ministers in the government, it doesn't only, it reflects very badly on the individuals who are constantly criticizing the chief minister. I've been seeing that constantly people are making videos, constantly people are trying to attack the government, constantly people are trying to find an excuse to say that there's a difference of opinion between us ministers and the honorable chief minister, which is wrong. I think all the members of the media are fully aware that we are constantly at only one job, that is to keep Goa safe and defeat COVID-19. आमचे सरकारान आणि मुख्यमंत्रीन जे सरकार आणि सहकार्य आमकां केल्ले आसा आरोग्य क्षेत्रांत, आणि आरोग्य खात्याक जे कितें सहकार्य केल्ले आसा, एक वेगळे तरेचे गोंय राज्यांत सुरक्षीत दवरपाक म्हणून आमी स्टेट ऑफ आर्ट मशीन्स प्रोक्युअर केल्ले आसा. व्हायरोलॉजी लॅब देशात एकमेव वेगळ्या तरेचे हाय लेवल लॅब करपाचे आमचे काम चालू आसा. आम्ही जसे उलयता तुमची चर्चा आतां चल्ल्या नर्सीस कितले जाय आनी कितले जाय ते संख्या वाडत चल्ल्या आमकां आमी केन्ना पळयना काय राजकारण करिना की खंय कोण खंयचो नर्स आनी कितें आमकां लोक जाय काम करपाक त्याच बरोबर आमी एका दिसान जेन्ना सांगलें की आमकां मायक्रोबायोलॉजिस्ट जाय MD मायक्रोबायोलॉजी जाय आमकां मॉलबिओचे कंपनीचे लॅब चलोवपाक 24/7 लोक जाय एका दिसा भितर आमी ते एडवर्टायजमेंट घालून अप्रुव्हल घेवन एडवर्टायज करून लोक घेवपाचो आमी प्रयत्न केल्लो आसा गोयचे जनतेक तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान हांव एक भारतीय जनता पक्षाचो एक कार्यकर्तो म्हणून आयज उलयता मंत्री म्हणून उलयता आमचे नेते हांगाच बसले मिस्टर विनय तेंडुलकर तुम्ही निश्चित रावात की गोवा राज्य जे हा परत बाउन्स बॅक जातले जे कोण टीका करता हे टीका आउट ऑफ फ्रस्ट्रेशन करतात आयज यांच्याकडे काय मुद्दे ना आणि मुद्दे नसल्या कारणान त्यांना ते टीका करची पडटा आणि म्हणूनच आयज आमकां वेगळ्या दृष्टिकोनान काम करचे पडटले आमी एक युनायटेड फ्रंट युनायटेड गोवा म्हणून आमकां काम करचे पडटले 40 आमदार एकत्र येऊन काम करचे पडटले तुमच्याकडे बऱ्यापैकी सजेशन्स आहा जाल्यार सजेशन दिया फक्त टीका करपाचे काम करू नाकात टीका करून काय गावपाचे ना कारण सरकारान आमी आसा फुडले 2 वर्सां भारतीय जनता पक्षाचे सरकार आसा तेजे नंतर बी म्हाका खात्री आहा की आमचो सरकार येतलो कित्याक वी विल बाउन्स बॅक भुरग्यांचो विशय आसा इकॉनॉमिक एक्टिव्हिटी रिवायवल करपाचो विशय आसा काय मायनिंग एक्टिव्हिटी चालू दवरपाचो जर विशय हे सगळे विषय आमकां लागता हांव एक मायनिंग क्षेत्रातलो आमदार म्हाका बी जाय की मायनिंग बेगीन चालू जाल्ले जाय कारण आमचे लोक आयज अक्षरशः लोकांक इकॉनॉमिक एक्टिव्हिटी जाय आणि हे जे SOPs जे आय वुड लायक टू मेन्शन टू यू आवर SOPs which are there will keep on evolving and evolving out of discussion आणि chief minister is open to discussion we should be happy that we have got a chief minister who is open to discussion आम्ही जेन्ना डिस्कस करता ते SOPs मॉडिफाय करपाक आणि मॉडिफाय करूंक जाय जाल्यार आम्ही परिस्थिती पळोवन आता जशे फ्लाइट काल आम्ही उल्लेख केलो की 4000 लोक एका दिसान येतले कितें वायट जाले जर आम्ही असेसमेंट आमचो तसो आसता आयज काय लोकांनी कॅन्सल केल्यो फ्लाइट्स कित्याक लोकांकडे कोविड नेगेटिव्ह सर्टिफिकेट नाशिल्ले कोविड नेगेटिव्ह सर्टिफिकेट नासत्या we are trying to tell the people that if they don't have a home and residential address here in Goa do not come to Goa we are not saying come to Goa welcoming people to Goa दुसरी गोष्ट कित्याक की गुड्स कॅरियर्स इतर काही गोष्टी जे जातात हे सगळ्या दृष्टिकोनान हे जर ओवरऑल केले वी हॅव टू सी दॅट वी स्मूथन आउट द प्रोडक्शन एक्टिव्हिटी ऑल्सो विदिन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा when we are having economic activity in the state of Goa people's livelihoods are at stake small businesses are suffering because of all this but same time काय आमदार जे हा जे मंत्री पहिले आशिल्ले आयज त्यांचो बॅकग्राऊंड कितें ते तेंचे बद्दल हांव सांगपाची गरज ना कित्याक आख्खे पत्रकार जे भाव हांगा बसले तांकां सगळ्यांक खबर आहा भारतीय जनता पक्षाचे परत आक्रमक अशे रावन आमी बी आक्रमक रावू शकता आमी बी जे हल्लीच चालले वेगवेगळे विशयाचेर आमी उलोवंक शकता केन्ना केन्ना कोणाची मृत्यू जाली केन्ना तो मृत्यू कित्या खातीर जाली आनी कित्याक तेजेर इन्क्वायरी जावंक ना कित्याक इन्क्वायरी जावंक जाय हे सगळ्या गोष्टीचेर आमी सरकारान असल्या कारणान आमी तेजेर चवकशी करपाक काय फाटीं रावचे ना आनी म्हणूनच आयज जेन्ना आमी हे सगळ्या गोष्टी आनी तुमकां मुद्दम म्हणटाय बऱ्याक कारण हे सरकार असल्या कारणान सरकाराची यंत्रणा वेगळे तरेन चलू शकता आनी सरकाराची यंत्रणा वेगळे तरेन जेन्ना चलू शकता तेन्ना आमकां वेगळे तरेन आमकां म्हायती बी गावता आनी म्हायती गावल्या कारणान we must not be taken for granted because as a government and as a national party we have been not hitting below the belt and it is not good in politics in the times of COVID-19 that anybody goes to stoops to such level and makes a mockery of the chair ultimately there has to be some respect for the chair and as a result of which it's been a pleasure working under the leadership of Dr. Pramod Sawant we have been doing our best as a team the officers also have been doing an excellent job our secretary health असो काय चीफ सेक्रेटरी असो आमकां बऱ्यापैकी दीस रात काम करून आमचो डीन गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज असो आणि बाकी सगळे ऑफिसर रेव्हेन्यू सेक्रेटरी असो कलेक्टर असो दीस रात आमची कलेक्टर नॉर्थ गोवाचे ती दीस रातचे एकाक बी फोन केल्यार फोन घेता कोण येता भितर लास्टाक तुम्ही सगळे बसले हांगा कोणाचे माझे फोन ओपन केल्यार तुमकां दिसतले की गोंयचोच मनीस भितर येता ताका भायर दवरया काय ताका भितर घेवंक जाय तो बाबडो येता तो क्वारंटाईन जाता तेजे टेस्ट केले वयता तो कोविड नेगेटिव्ह जाल्यार तो घरा होम क्वारंटाईनान वचून 14 दीस रावता म्हणून आमकां विचार करून आमी जर भायले लोक भितर घेता आनी तांकां आमी सहजपणे सोडटा पुरावे नासतना उलोवप एक इट इज बिकम लायक अ ट्रेंड अँड म्हणूनच आय वुड लायक टू अपील थ्रू द मीडिया that we should not allow and encourage in the time of COVID-19 this type of cheap publicity to people who don't deserve it. And this type of attack on the government, which the government doesn't deserve, because government, this is the only state government with the honorable speech that Goa was the first state to go into the green zone and be a COVID-free state. And हांव तुमकां आयज बी खात्री दिता, रोज जेन्ना तुमकां ब्रीफिंग येतले, आमचे केसीस कमी जायत रावतले. कदाचित केन्ना केन्ना फ्लो जाता, ट्युरिस्ट फ्लो जाता, आमचे लोक भायल्यान येता, आमचो चडसो गोंयचोच लोक आसता. हे जे प्लेन जेन्ना चालू जाता, ट्रेन जेन्ना चालू जाले, लॉजिस्टिक मॅनेजमेंट जे आमच्या ऑफिसरान केले ते एकदम योग्य तरेचे मॅनेजमेंट केल्ले आसा. काही अडचणी येत, पूण ते अडचणीक तोंड दिवन एक ते आनी इम्प्रूव्ह कशे करपाचे हेजेर आमचें काम चालू आसा. So I would like to appeal to all of you that there are few politicians who have no work at the moment. The politicians at the moment are basically trying to divert the attention of people from real issues, having no issues. And the state government, in fact, in the other way, today, that even if we wanted, the chief minister also could have acted in a very different way. But the man is very silent and quiet. The quiet not because he cannot say anything. The quiet is because he's just allowing these people and giving, I mean, he's just not paying attention to the negativity that is being created by certain political class and certain politicians and certain political people and certain political individuals who are in the assembly. And as a result of which, our focus is totally on fighting COVID-19. We are fully with the state of Goa as far as keeping Goa safe. पयली कितलो आवाज चाललो, सीफेरर बी व्यवस्थित मुख्यमंत्रीन तांकां गोंयांत हाडले, सगळे व्यवस्थित जाले, लोक रावल्ले, वाट पळयताले की खंय तरी कुफसांव जातले आनी कितें तरी कन्फ्युजन जातलें आनी हांगा आनी वेगळ्या तरेचो विस्फोट जातलो. विस्फोट काय जावना. मुख्यमंत्रीन योग्य तरेचे तेंचे मुवमेंट हँडल केल्ले आसा आनी कितलेय लोक जुनान येवपाच्या रोज मिटिंग एसीसीचे जाता. हांव बी तेंचे बरोबर कितले फावट कंटिन्युअस आमी आसता एसीसीचे बरोबर आनी आमची चर्चा जाता, तेंचे कडेन डिस्कशन जाता. पूण कितें सगळे आयज पर्यंत जे काम जालां, सरकारान जे केला, मुख्यमंत्र्याचे नेतृत्व सकयल योग्य तरेचे बरें काम केल्ले आसा. हांव एक हेल्थ मिनिस्टर म्हणून आनी तेंचे नेतृत्व सकयल जे काम करता, हांव आयज तुमकां सांगूंक सोदता की दीस रात आमचे ऑफिसीस ओपन आसता. केन्जिला खबर आसतलें की आमचे ऑफिस केन्ना बंद जायना. मुख्यमंत्रीक सकाळी एकदा फोन, दनपाराचो एक आफ्टरनून, नाईट. And what happens is that our whole focus of the media, whether it is Prudent, whether it is Prime, whether it is RDX, whether it is लोकमत, तुमच्या सगळ्यांचे सहकार्य असल्यारूच आम्ही कितें तरी करू शकता. बाकी सगळे न्यूज चॅनल, न्यूज पेपराक हांव सांगूंक सोदता की आमचो फोकस जो आसूंक जाय आयच्या दिसा कोविड मॅनेजमेंट. आनी तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान बी जर कितें येता सरकाराक सजेशन्स, ते बी इम्प्लिमेंट करपाक आमी फाटीं रावचे ना. पूण हे जे लोक एसओपीचेर उलयता, हेंचे दे आर नॉट एक्सपर्ट्स, तेंचेकडे एक्सपर्ट नॉलेज ना. आनी कितें आसता की केन्ना केन्ना सरकारान मतभेद करपाचे प्रयत्न काय लोकांचे आसतात, तांकां यश गावचें ना. कारण सरकार युनायटेड आहा. हांगा गोंय राज्यांत भारतीय जनता पक्षाचे युनायटेड सरकार आमी चलयता. त्याच बरोबर आमी जे कितें पावलां घेवंक जाय, जे स्ट्रिंजंट मेजर्स आनी जर घेवचे पडले, घेवपाक आमी फाटीं सरचे ना. आयज जेन्ना विमान येता, आमी पळयलां जे एंटिसिपेटेड आसले तेजे पेक्षा एकदम कमी लोक आयिल्ले आसता. आणि म्हणूनच जसे जसो प्रोटोकॉल गरज पडटा त्या तरेन आमी प्रोटोकॉल, मुख्यमंत्री डिसिजन घेतले की प्रोटोकॉल कसो एडजस्ट करपाचो आनी काय पावलां घेवपाची. आनी म्हाका तरी दिसता की हे जे कोण आमची टिका करता त्यांनी टिका करू नये. वेन यू गो टू रिविजिट युअर पास्ट, there can be many things that they come out from the cupboard. So that is better that nobody goes into that line, and politics is not meant to be played during COVID-19. We should all be united to keep Goa safe and instead give positive suggestions to the government to keep Goa safe. इतलेच सांगून हांव परत एकदा तुमकां सगळ्यांक विनंती करता, कोविड-19 हाची ही समस्या आयज आमी जशें उलयता, आमी ऑलरेडी 1,25,000 केसीस क्रॉस करून 1,30,000 केसीस क्रॉस करून फुडें सरल्या. So Goa cannot remain insulated from the rise in cases in the country. We will also be a part. We will also have some cases. We will also have some amount of cases, and we are prepared to see that we take care of these people. Ventilators are all scheduled when they are going to come. How many we have ordered? Everything is there in black and white. आमचेकडे जाय ते PPP हा, आमचेकडे जाय ते ग्लोव्स पासून, मास्क पासून, N95 सगळे जे आमकां लागता, सरकाराक लागता, आमच्या स्टाफाक दिवपाक, सब हेल्थ सेंटराक दिवपाक, आमचे सगळे PHC, CHC आनी हॉस्पिटलांत दिवपाक, कॅज्युलिटीन दिवपाक, फ्लू क्लिनिक्सान दिवपाक. आमी मंडप बी घालपाक लायल्या प्रत्येक हेल्थ ऑफिसराक, म्हणजे पावसाची हे करून की पावसान आनी फ्लू सिम्पटम्स आनी सिम्पटोमॅटिक वाडू शकता. सगळ्या दृश्टीन आमी इवन काय सर्जरीज बी चालू करपाचे आमी केल्ले आसा, कित्याक नॉन कोविड पेशंटाक त्रास जावं नये आम्ही टोकन सिस्टम आम्ही चालू केला. तुमका खबर असतले की गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजात केन्ना केन्ना अडचण कोण म्हणटा खंयचो फोन नंबर कोण उखलिना ते सगळे जाग्यार येतले. सगळ्या दृष्टिकोनान जर म्हणटा की गोवा and Kerala are one of the two states that are really managing COVID in a very professional and very appropriate manner. My appeal to my colleagues in the assembly from the opposition is to support this government in what work it is doing. If it wants any kind of information, we are ready to give them information, but don't hit below the belt because the government will not take it lightly because this is becoming a bit too much. And if the time comes to bring things in the front, we will bring things in the front whichever is required, because ultimately you are trying to divert the attention from the main focus of COVID-19, which is not appropriate and not acceptable to the government at this point of time while fighting COVID-19. We are all united under the leadership of the Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, and we will ensure that Goa remains safe. We are ready and prepared. I myself am on the front line all the time. Many of you know that I'm in and out of the hospitals, in and out of Goa Medical College, in and out of lab. By this week, the new latest technology lab, which is the most advanced technology, is getting installed. So we are all there. We are all there with the nursing community. There may be some issues. We will not let anybody down. Everything where justice has to be done, the Chief Minister will do justice. But let us be united and let us not allow politicians to play these type of cheap tricks when we need to be united. All 40 have to be united in order to fight COVID-19. And it's really shameful that some people are calling names. You must first respect the chair, it is not the person. You may don't want to respect me, don't respect me. But there is something called dignity of the chair. And we must maintain, and politics in Goa has always been with dignity. But these people are bringing it to a different low, and this is not right, and people will judge them for what they do, because every individual and citizen in Goa, his attention is on how do we fight COVID-19, how do we remain safe, and what is the government doing to keep us safe. These are the issues that need to be discussed. If you do not have expert knowledge, then you should not make statements because you don't have the knowledge of actually what is actually happening. I don't think they even have the knowledge of pool testing, what is the random testing protocols, what are the manner in which Singapore is handling the cases. We have been taking good best practice examples. I am in constant touch with Hemant Biswal Sharma, who's from Assam, Madam Shailaja, though she made a mistake the other day, I took her on Twitter, Chief Minister took her on Twitter, she apologized to us, she personally called us, I am very sorry that I made a mistake. But same time, the best practices we need to adopt from different states so that we are in a better position to make Goa a safe place. Thank you.
Some analysts are saying that we have gone to the red zone from the green zone.
The decision of declaring a zone red is left to the wisdom of the state. We don't consider ourselves with just 49 cases, which are all in good health. None of them are on the ventilator to declare it a red zone. Whether to declare it a red, orange, or green zone is left to the state as per the Ministry of Home Affairs guidelines. There is something called MHA guidelines. We cannot violate the MHA guidelines, but we are given certain space within the MHA guidelines to draw up our own protocols with respect to our own states.
So there is an issue where today the opposition MLAs had met. They said that the discriminatory between those two SOPs for seafarers as well as for the domestic. Why like that?
There is no two SOPs and there is no discrimination between the SOPs. When the seafarers came in, MHA had given different guidelines. MHA itself has changed the guidelines, civil aviation has changed the guidelines, so automatically the guidelines change. As the guidelines change, we have to adopt them from that day. But we cannot go behind and reverse what actually is happening. MHA guidelines were issued for seafarers coming in. When they boarded the flight, what would be the period of quarantine was well defined. Today they have reduced it from 14 to 7 days. That means automatically, I said, it's a dynamic process. It has to be continued. We have to continue to go on evolving. And with respect to our state of Goa, still we have flexibility what we want to do. Tomorrow MHA says 7 and Goa government says 14. It can still be, but somewhere there must be some logic to why MHA is bringing some guidelines. We need to follow them and evolve accordingly.
Minister Krishna sir, you are allowing people to go into home quarantine, which is totally based on faith. You have faith in them, you have trust in them that they will go and stay for 14 days. How well this faith is justified?
Can I tell you one thing? I live in a society also. And people immediately come to know who's been quarantined there. The society itself is so that society made my life hell also. They brought letters and gave me. They said, you're the health minister, you're staying in my house. This man is under quarantine, we need him to be properly monitored. Nobody is going to take COVID-19 very lightly. Every society, every building complex, Every panchayat, that's why we have said the responsibility, like the chief minister said, we must involve people, punch ward members, councillors. It is everybody's duty to see that we keep Goa safe. If a person who's in quarantine and everybody come, Goa is very small. फाल्यां तुम्ही जर मुंबईचे राहिले, तुमच्या मीडियाचे सगळे भावांक खबर असतले की तुम्ही मुंबईचे राहिले म्हणून. आणि तुम्ही जर घरातल्या बाहेर क्वारंटाईन सोडून बाहेर सरले, तुमच्या शेजारी सांगतले ऑथॉरिटी की बाबा वो बाहेर सरला म्हणून आता जायला मुंबईच्या. म्हणून हे काय लोकांक खबर की कोरोना व्हायरस आणि कोविड-19 देयर इज नो सोल्युशन. आम्ही जे ट्रीटमेंट दितात WHO प्रोटोकॉलच्या आधाराचेर आम्ही ट्रीटमेंट दितात. पण हेंका खबर आसूंक जाय की लोक जागृत हा. गावात तुम्ही चलात, एक मनीस तुमका गावचो ना कोण मास्क घालिना तो. आमच्या सत्तरीच्या परिसरात चला तो म्हणता आपण अक्षरशः इफ आय नो फूड टू इट इज ओके बट आय विल नॉट मेक सो डू सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग तुका खरेच पळोवंक जाय. तुम्ही भितूर गावात खेडेगावात सत्तरीचेच उलयना आनी खंय तरी दुसऱ्या गावात वचून पळयात, थंय एक्चुअली सोशल डिस्टन्सिंगाचो नॉर्म ते पाळटात आनी ते करतात. जे कितें टीव्ही चेर पळयतात ते खऱ्या अर्थान ते इम्प्लिमेंट करपाचो तेंचो प्रयत्न. एंड पीपल हॅव टू बी अल्टिमेटली हाऊ डू यू फायट अ situation in a pandemic like COVID-19 is with responsibility. Every citizen has to be responsible. If you want to deliberately break some rules, regulation and get pleasure out of it, that means you're working against the community and society.
Second question is that do you foresee more people coming to Goa from places like Mumbai and Delhi, which is in very red zone because of safety and good medical services in Goa?
No, they are not coming here because of medical services.
Or safety maybe.
They are not coming here because of they are coming here because we have done a very good job in terms of our thing, but we are not inviting anybody here. We have very clearly written our facilities are very good. Our government is doing a fantastic job in terms of healthcare and providing the best health infrastructure and the best protocols as far as COVID-19 is concerned. Our doctors, frontline workers are doing a good job. But whoever comes, see, once a civil aviation ministry gives you a ticket to fly on a flight, I can't ban him from flying on that flight. But I have to be ready to see what steps I take. And like I mentioned to you that as we see how the situation is evolving, I'm sure the Chief Minister and we all will further strengthen the SOPs, making it more stringent for travellers coming from these states.
Now the seafarers are once again also asking why 7 days, why not directly home quarantine?
No, they can't ask such questions. Whatever is laid down in guidelines in the SOPs given by MHA and what is adopted by the state, that is appropriately being followed.
So some MLAs are saying that the quarantine tourism is being promoted in Goa.
You have to ask him what does he mean by quarantine tourism. I have never heard of this. You ever? I also not.
Yesterday.
एक तीन हे दिलात रे पर्याय सरकारान. एक तुम्ही भायले सर्टिफिकेट हाडपाचे पर्याय
बरोबर.
दुसरे आसा ते हांगा येवन तुम्ही सरकारचे ते 2000 देऊन तुम्ही हे करपाचे.
बरोबर.
थर्ड जे आसा रे ते डायरेक्ट तुम्ही त्यांना लोकांक घरात हाडटा काय चेकिंग करता.
So, Macron, one is you have asked for a COVID negative certificate. If that person is not COVID negative, second one you test yourself. If you notice, 50% of the people who flew that day paid 2,000 and got themselves tested and have gone home. And third is home quarantine where you get stamped and don't allow them. Then it is being monitored by the PI has also been told to monitor the whole list. And the only thing, it's becoming a wider task for us and we are going to monitor it. The PI, the local punch, everybody will be, this database will be shared by everybody. So everybody knows who's coming in, where the person is going. So all this data is kept by us.
So one more.
चेकिंग बी जाता काय म्हणता.
कोणाचे?
त्यांका होम क्वारंटाईन धाडटा न्ही.
Definitely, health officer phone मारून check करता न्ही. कित्या परिस्थिती कशी कित्या situation.
So one more thing, yesterday Porvorim MLA Rohan County said that the health minister is doing a good job, but he has not been allowed to work.
I think I did fairly well with the support of the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant. And let me be honest with you, I have been only focusing on my work. Party and my party leaders and the Chief Minister has been very supportive of every activity. And if I was not able to do my work, then we would not be in a synchronized manner fighting COVID-19. I think this is being said deliberately to create a rift between me and the Chief Minister, and this is not, nobody is going to get successful in trying to do so, because I have been happily working. This party is like a family to me, and if there is any issue, there is something called my party leaders, there is somebody called the Chief Minister with whom we can internally resolve issue. The issue which we want to resolve is only to keep Goa safe. There is no political issue in the government.
कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट बोल रहे हैं कि गोवा का व्हाइट पेपर से रिलीज करो बोल रहे हैं।
अरे किसका बात कर रहे हैं? कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट पहला पंचायत इलेक्शन नहीं जीत सकता है, असेंबली इलेक्शन नहीं जीत सकता है, उसका वो पहले रिजाइन दे, वो भी एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया, उनके पास कैंडिडेट नहीं है, वो उसका क्या बात करने का?
फाइनेंशियली वो पोजीशन देते बोल रहे हैं सर।
See, let me tell you one thing. Does he have? I have already offered that I am ready to debate with him anytime he wants on any financial position, on the COVID protocols, on anything I want. But you know, you're taking the name of a person who doesn't need to be discussed. So why discuss?
सर और एक क्वेश्चन है, इससे तो महाराष्ट्र से ज्यादातर पॉजिटिव पेशेंट आ रहे हैं बोलता है, उसका वजह से एसओपी कुछ चेंजेस करने के लिए सोच रहे हैं।
सरकार ने जो एसओपी बनाया है, ये योग्य एसओपी बनाया है, और मुख्यमंत्री ने जो जो निर्णय लिया है, ये योग्य निर्णय। गोवा एक ऐसा एक राज्य जो एसओपी जो स्ट्रिंजेंट बनाया है। कल भी टीवी पे आपने देखा होगा, उन्होंने बोला है और अनाउंस किया है कि गोवा इज वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट स्टेट टू आस्क फॉर अ कोविड नेगेटिव सर्टिफिकेट, एंड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली कि जो जो होगा, जो जो सिचुएशन आएगा, गोवा सरकार की एसओपी के माध्यम से हम टक्कर देने के लिए कोविड-19 को तैयार है।
बट ये आज गोवा सीएम ही बोला था कि महाराष्ट्र में बहुत 90% पॉजिटिव आ गया, उसका वजह से हम लोग सोच रहे हैं कि एसओपी चेंज करने की।
अभी मैं बोल रहा था कि एसओपी इज अ डायनेमिक प्रोसेस, इट कीप्स चेंजिंग बेस्ड ऑन द सिचुएशन, एंड वी आर ऑल यूनाइटेड विद द चीफ मिनिस्टर, एंड व्हाटएवर डिसीजन ही टेक्स, and in making the SOP stringent, he will take appropriate steps as we progress. As we see what is happening, the flow happens, we will take appropriate steps.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.